Hey, what's up everybody? It's Carl. Welcome to the Rucking, Wheezing Fat Man, or the Fat Broken Old Rucker. Anyway, it's September 12th, Thursday night, around 7:30 in the evening. Just got home from work. Time for a ruck. And since it's still September, I'm redoing the Rucking challenge for September. 1 mile ruck, 3,960 stairs, 4 mile ruck. I'm going to break it up into probably about 3 or 4 sections again, just because I'm not fit enough to do it all in one. Today we're going to do 1 mile and 1,200 stairs. See you when it's done. Mile's done. 17 minutes, 58 seconds. Not the fastest, not the slowest. First set of stairs. 40 stairs from top to bottom. We're going to do that 30 times. It's going to be a long night, but we're going to get it done. 33 is the new goal. Just finished 30. I'm going extra credit. 3 more. That way I can finish all these stairs in 3 even sets. So let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna take you with me. We're gonna do at least one together. I'm beat. No joke. But this is what I love. To be tired. To push yourself. Haven't been able to do it in a long time. To use my back has been really bad over the years. I've used it as an excuse. Eating right. I lost 52 pounds last year. I gained a few back because I stopped eating well. Since July, I've lost that 30 pounds back. So I'm back down into the 220s. And my back feels good. I've had a workout 3 to 4 times a week since the end of July. Rucking and total gym. My back feels better than it ever has. Is it the weight loss? Probably. But the exercise helps. Feels good to exercise. Feels good to feel accomplished. Feels good to move again. Alright. There's about to be 2. I'm gonna turn you guys off and finish the last one. 2. 1 more. You know what? We'll finish it together. Sorry if I'm out of focus. I'm tired. I don't know what else to say. I feel amazing. I feel strong. I feel like I'm regaining my health. A little bit every day. That's what it's about. So thanks to everybody who watches, gives support and encouragement. It means a lot. And I'm hoping that I can inspire or encourage somebody. 33. Because if I can, you can. Get out and move. Movement is medicine. And see you next time.